guys, welcome back. It's Tori. Thank you so much for clicking. Today we're going to be doing this eye look. It's just eyes today. It'll be a short, sweet video. We definitely stuck with the warm tones, gold, browns, a little bit of copper in there. No eyeliner today. Just wasn't feeling it. But yeah, so if you want to know how I created this eye look, continue watching. And let's get into the video. I have done all of my other makeup. My eyes have been primed. I put a little powder on them to help the blending and blah blah blah. So we're gonna jump right into it. We are going to be using the obvious Jaclyn Hill palette. I got my little white rag. And we're gonna start with my favorite brush, which has been through the ringer. I really need to clean my brushes, but I am lazy. So our first color we're gonna jump into is, drum roll please, so we're gonna jump in with MFEO. And we're just gonna pop that everywhere for our transition shade. Alright, and then there is a copper shade, and so we're just going to work into it. I'm going to be using a million colors because I want it to be really pretty, and I want to just build it up. So we're going to jump in with that mustard color, and it is called Creamicle, and I'm obsessed with this color. I think it's so pretty, and I love it. Any reason I can find to use this color, I use it. Alright, and then we are going to use Roxanne, which is this color. I have not used this color yet. So this is Roxanne right here. Sorry if I'm flicking you off. This will be the last shade that we used this big brush with, and we're just gonna pop that in there. Alright, and then we are going to use a little bit of a smaller dome brush, and we are going to work in a little bit of brown. So we are going to put this color right here, which is Mocha, and just a little tiny bit. We're just gonna pop that. And we're gonna go back in that bigger brush and blend it out. Alright, and then we are going to mix Hunt's, which is this copper tone, and Jack's, which is a maroon shade. We're going to swirl those bad boys together. I didn't even realize that I disappeared into the sun. And then we're gonna go in with this shade, and this brush, and we're gonna blend. 90% of doing my makeup is blending. Then we're gonna go in with my tighter brush and we're gonna pop a really deep red. Just because I feel like I mean in the camera it looks like there's a lot of red, and then when I look down here it's just not the red that it's supposed to be. So we're gonna stick with Jack's, that really maroon color. I'm just gonna Alright, and then we are going to go in with that tight brush again, and we're going to add this dark brown color, which is central part. Oh, Jesus, I keep disappearing. Keep disappearing. So I'm going in with Creamicle. Yeah, Creamicle, which is this glittery maroon underneath my eye, and I'm also gonna add it Alright, and then we are going to go in with Queen, which is my favorite gold ever. It is just the prettiest. Alright, you guys, I'm all done with the look. I'm really pleased with how it turned out. Let's get a little closer. I'm definitely more of a warm toned person. I think with like the pale skin and the blue eyes, this is just what works best for me. Wasn't really feeling eyeliner today, so whatever. But thanks for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed doing this with me. Don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And until next time.